8 Secrets of Highly Intelligent People. Have you ever met someone who seems to navigate life with effortless brilliance? They excel at solving problems, exploring new ideas, and making the most of any situation. What's their secret? It's not just raw brainpower. Highly intelligent people possess a unique blend of characteristics that make them exceptional. Whether you want to understand these qualities better or enhance your own intelligence, the following insights will open your eyes to the fascinating world of highly intelligent minds. Let's dive in and discover what truly sets these individuals apart. Number 1. They ask lots of questions. Remember that kid in school who was always eager to ask questions? Highly intelligent people never lose that childhood curiosity. They have an insatiable thirst for knowledge and understanding, driving them to ask questions about everything. Whether in a work meeting, watching a documentary, or chatting with a friend, they are not satisfied with surface-level knowledge and constantly seek to dig deeper. This relentless curiosity keeps their minds sharp and engaged, transforming everyday experiences into opportunities for learning. Number 2. They pay attention to details. Highly intelligent people often perceive what others overlook. Their keen observation skills allow them to pick up on subtle details and patterns that might escape the average person. For example, they might notice a slight shift in someone's body language indicating a change in mood or quickly spot a missing piece in a jigsaw puzzle. It's as if they have an internal radar constantly scanning for interesting details. This heightened awareness helps them gather more information and gain deeper insights, enabling them to make more informed decisions. Number 3. They analyze everything. Analytical skills are a hallmark of highly intelligent individuals. They can break down complex problems into manageable parts, analyze each component, and find effective solutions. Whether planning a budget, troubleshooting a technical problem, or even choosing a movie to watch, they carefully dissect information and weigh all the factors to make the best possible choices. This ability to deconstruct issues often allows them to excel in various fields and solve problems that others find daunting. Number 4. They approach things with an open mind. Highly intelligent people are open to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences without bias. They are also willing to change their opinions when presented with new facts. This open-mindedness not only makes them great conversationalists but also allows them to grow and adapt continuously. It's a quality that helps them navigate a world full of differing opinions and complex issues. Number 5. They are critical thinkers. Critical thinking is the ability to evaluate information and arguments logically and systematically, and highly intelligent people excel at this skill. They don't take things at face value. Instead, they scrutinize evidence, identify biases, and assess the validity of arguments. This disciplined approach helps them form well-reasoned conclusions and avoid being misled by false or incomplete information. In everyday life, this skill might involve analyzing news stories for credibility, making informed decisions about personal or professional matters, or debating complex issues with clarity and confidence. Number 6. They try to figure things out themselves. Self-reliance is a common trait among highly intelligent individuals. They prefer to tackle challenges independently rather than relying on others. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, mastering a new instrument, or understanding how a software program works, they take a hands-on approach. This doesn't mean they never seek help, but they take pride in figuring things out on their own. Number 7. They connect the dots. Connecting seemingly unrelated dots is a superpower of highly intelligent people. They can see patterns and relationships where others see chaos. For instance, They might draw parallels between a historical event and a current issue, or apply principles from one discipline to solve a problem in another. This integrative thinking is a key driver of creativity and innovation. Number 8. They are resourceful. Resourcefulness is a trait that truly sets highly intelligent people apart, especially in everyday situations. They excel at making the most of what's available. Whether it's leveraging their network to find creative solutions, negotiating better deals to save money, or repurposing household items for new uses, their ability to think outside the box shines through. They don't focus on what they lack, instead, they maximize what they have. How many of these traits resonate with you? Reflecting on this list can offer insights into your own intelligence and perhaps inspire you to further cultivate these qualities. After all, intelligence isn't just about IQ scores, it's about how we engage with the world and continuously seek to learn and grow. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.